Welcome back to Aerial Dude. Today, we are planning to take you to an adventurous journey to one of the tallest waterfalls of India, Kynrem Falls, which is located in the northeastern part of India. The state called Meghalaya, the name itself says the abode of cloud, has plenty of things to offer us, where the cloud kiss the cliff and the waterfalls dance with the wind. Buckle up with us for the next 20 minutes to this epic journey. So let's dive in with a drone. Here we are at Kynrem Falls, just 12 kilometers from Cherrapunji, or Sora as the local calls it. It's July 2025 and I'm back after my last visit in November 2021, post-Covid, when the falls were nearly dry and the area felt like a ghost town. But today, wow, what a transformation. Growing up in the western Ghats of southern India, I am used to the lush sceneries and plenty of rain, similar to Cherrapunji's tropical climate. However, winter is a different story here, dry and rainless, due to the region's geography. Perched on the Meghalaya's plateau, Cherrapunji is a geological wonder, sculpted by the relentless monsoon rains, tectonic uplifts, and the time itself. These cliffs, they are the results of millions of years of erosion, carved by rainfall so intense, it feels like the sky is pouring its heart out. And Kynrem Falls is a crown jewel of this dramatic landscape. Look at Kynrem Falls, standing tall at 1001 feet, is a tired masterpiece. Its water tumbles down in three distinctive stages, splitting into two shimmering rivulets before merging into a final thunderous cascade. Our drone is already in love, weaving through the mist like it's in a romantic date with the clouds. This is what makes Cherrapunji magical. The monsoon winds, funneled by the steep Khasi Hills, drench this region, creating deep valleys and waterfalls like Kynrem. And those cliffs, they are sacred to the locals, standing like ancient guardians of this land. Let's follow our drone on its aerial adventure. This little flyer is the luckiest member of our crew, getting hugged and kissed by the clouds as it dances around the Kynrem Falls. Watch it glide through the mist, capturing angles no human can ever see. It's like clouds are whispering secrets to our drone, and we are here to share them with you. Kynrem's three tier tells a story of power and grace. The first tier is bold, crashing with force. The second softens, splitting into two streams like a delicate veil. And the third is a grand finale, merging into a roar that echoes through the valley. At 1001 feet, this is one of India's tallest waterfalls, and every inch is pure magic. Four years ago, my wife and I stood here, and the falls were a mere trickle, hardly any tourists, just us and the quiet. But today, the falls are alive, roaring with energy. Kynrem Falls isn't just about waterfall, it's about the journey. One of the coolest things, a road run right under the falls, letting you feel the spray on your face. Our drone is capturing this from above, but down here is a whole different vibe. It's like standing in the heart of the nature's pulse. On the way to Kynrem Falls, there are viewpoints. From there you can see Kynrem Falls framed by the cliff, with the plains of Bangladesh stretching into the horizon. It is a reminder of how close we are to another country. Yet this waterfall feels like a world of its own. While we are here in the monsoon season, that's June to September, is when Kynrem Falls truly shines. The water gushes with such a force, it feels like the cliffs are singing. If you are planning a visit, the monsoon is your ticket to see these waterfalls at its most powerful. The mist and the roar are pure magic. These cliffs aren't just geological wonders, they are sacred to Khasi people. They believe this land holds the spiritual energy, and standing here you can feel it. The interplay of monsoon rains, tectonic uplifts, and erosion has created a landscape that feels alive, like it's breathing with you. The locals here are so warm and proud of their land. They'll tell you the stories of the cliffs, the falls, and the spirits that guard them. It's the reminder that Kynrem Falls is just not a destination, it's a piece of Meghalaya's soul. Our cloud-kissed drone takes its final spin around Kynrem Falls. I'm left in awe of this place. From the sacred cliffs to the thunderous tires, Cherrapunji is a testament to nature's raw power and beauty. Whether you are a photographer chasing the perfect shot, or an adventurer craving a trek, or just someone who loves the call of the wild, Kynrem Falls is waiting for you. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you love this drone vlog, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you want our cloud-kissed drone to fly next. Until then, keep chasing waterfalls and soaring through the skies. See you on the next journey.